hoping that you are having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to launch the new indicator, Hachiko indicator on your MT4, and then what is the best strategy to use this indicator on your daily trades. Okay, first of all, after you complete your purchase from shareadvisor.com, you will receive a zip file that you need to unzip and save it on your desktop or your laptop. Okay, I have already done that. I will show you how to do it one more time. You just right click on the folder and then just open it with any type of unzip application on your desktop, on your personal computer, and then just save it on your desktop, and then just right click and copy the file that you have already downloaded. Then go back to your MT4 platform again. From the left side on the top, go to the file, go to open data folder. In the new window that appears, go to the MQL4, find the indicators folders, and then go inside the indicators folder and just paste the file that you have copied in this folder. I have already done that, as you can see here. After doing so, just close the window, go to your indicator menu on your left side, right click, and just refresh, and then you will see that the indicator file will appear on your menu on your left side on your MT4. Okay, next step that you need to do, just double click on the Hachiko indicator, but before that, make sure that you open one of the charts that we have recommended on the website. As you know that Hachiko indicators works on all 6 majors and also gold price. In this example, I have opened the actually gold pairs on my MT4. Okay, next step, we just double click on Hachiko indicator or just drag and drop the indicator on your chart, and then a new window will appear that you can get some common information, basic information about the Hachiko indicator. Just make sure that you enter to the comment section and then just check these 2 boxes, and then you go to the inputs. This is the place that actually you need to apply your license key. The rest, you don't need to change anything unless you want to change the way that the signals appears on the chart, that I will explain it later. This is the place that you need to apply your license key. How to receive the license key? You need to copy your MT4 account number, which you can find it on the top left side above your MT4 platform. Just copy this number and email us at supports@shareadvisor.com, and then during 24 hours our team will send you the license key, and then you can just apply the license key here and then click OK. But before we go to the next step, I just want to mention about 2 other options that you have here. After you apply the indicator on your chart, you will see some green area and gray area on your chart with SL and TP, which shows the price and also the way that the signals are appearing on your chart. Remember this, and we will come back to this part later after you see the indicator on the chart, and then I will explain to you how you can change these 2 options to change the way that the signals appears on your chart. Okay, now after you receive the license key, you just apply the license key here and then you just click OK. I have already done that, so I will just move to another chart that I have already applied the indicator, and then I will show you how to change the options too. Okay, I just close this one and go back to one of the 6 Forex majors charts that I have already opened and applied the indicator on it. This is the way that indicator looks like after you activated the indicator on your chart. Now let's see what information we can get from the box on the left side. As you can see, the name of indicator will appear. You have your spread, you have your net profit, drawdown, balance, and equity. Also, you can observe the winning rates of long signals and short signals given by Hachiko indicator on this pair and time frame during last few hours or last few days, depending on the time frame that you chose. So we had 73% winning on the long signals, and we had 75% winning rates on the short signals. So in total, we had 74% accuracy. These are the information that helps you when you apply the indicator on your chart. You can look on the left side and you can see how was the signal conditions and situations during last few days and last few hours. So you need to know exactly what is the condition, and then you can get better decision. You can make better decisions to use the indicator. Now let's go and talk about the information that appears after signals come on your chart. So as you can see, the signal will be shown by a red arrow or green arrow for buy signals, red arrow for the short signals. Once the signals appears, you will also get a few other numbers on your chart. Okay, I'm gonna explain what are those numbers are. Okay, the white number in the middle actually is the exact price that the signals is generated. So many of you will ask questions of us that when the signals is generated, is it on candle close, it is on open the candle. So we have created this one for you, so once the signal comes, you exactly know what was the price when the signals generated, and it helps you to make better decisions and for your SL and TP. Also, it gives you some green colors numbers that actually they are your take profit 1 and take profit 2. As you can see here, take profit 1, take profit 2. You also have a red number that actually is your SL based on the last low high, actually last swing low or high. So what you need to do, once the signal comes, then place the trade and then set the TP on TP2, and then also set the SL on SL, the number that you see here. And once the TP1 is hit, then you close the position partially and move the SL to the BE or the place that you open the position. So after that, you are sure, you're 100% sure that you have exit the trade with profit, and now you are waiting for the next TP to be hit by the indicator. So you will receive signals the same way, and then you have TP and SL for all of them. But I also mentioned before that there is a way that you also can you can change the way that signals appears on your chart. What I mean by that, you can remove these green areas and gray areas if you feel more comfortable. Also, you can remove the prices of the TP and SL if it suits your daily trades or your strategy, or you want to have the cleaner chart if you have a lot of lines on your chart. How to do that, actually I've explained before. Once you apply the indicator, you have two options here. One is the TP and SL prices. You can just change that to false, and then the prices on your charts will disappear. As you can see here, the price is 110.110. So these prices will disappear. You will have the lines, okay, and you will have these green boxes and gray boxes, but only the price will disappear. The other option, I will do it one more time. The other option actually is how the TP and SL display on your chart. That what you need to do is just double click on this section, and then you just choose arrows, lines, or field. Actually, arrows, it just give you the arrows like buy, sell arrows. Lines also will appear the lines of the SL and TP, and then field actually is the way that you see it now on default. You have the green area, you have the gray area, you have the price of actually SL, you have the lines and everything. So actually this is the most suited that we are using and the most comfortable for our team. And then once we were using and we were getting feedbacks from some of the members that have tried this indicator, they all liked to use this option. So we also have put this one on the default. So if you want to change that, you also can come here and change the way that signals appears on your chart. It's totally up to you. So make sure you follow all the recommendation. Make sure you follow all the instructions that we are giving to you. Also, once the trades are open, you should know that some of them also actually might go to some drawdown, as you can see here, but mostly 75% the signals are all accurate, and they will go back up and then they will hit the TP. Once they hit the TP, you just close your position and wait for the next signal, and then once the next signal appears, you just take action based on the direction of the signals. Okay, now let's go to the gold. Also, we can see here on the gold, actually I'm using the M30. You should remember that the time frames that you need to use is M30 H1 and H4, 30 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, and 4 hours time frame. As you can see here on the gold price, I'm on 30 minutes time frame. We also had the signals here. We had the long signal, and then the price of actually signal generated was 1781.30. So once the signals come, I will open my position. I put the TP on the TP2, and then once it hits the TP1, I will close my position partially. I move the SL towards my first position, my first price position, and then I just wait for the indicator and wait for my trace to hit the next target, and then I will wait for the next signals. This is all, and this is how you can use the best way to use this indicator. If you have any question, you can contact us at our email supports@shahadvisor.com, or you can communicate with us during working days with our live support chat on the website. Have a great week, guys. Good luck.